So, if we talk about the 21st May of the year, that is observed as a International Tea Day. International Tea Day is celebrated every year on May 21 to recognize the cultural, economic, and social importance of tea across the world. Why it is celebrated? Tea, botanical name is Camellia sinensis, is the second most consumed beverage after water. It supports the livelihood of millions of farmers and workers, especially in countries like India, China, Sri Lanka, and Kenya. Promote sustainable production and fair trade in the tea industry. One of the largest producer and consumer of tea. इंडिया सेकंड नंबर पर है चाय के उत्पादन में और फर्स्ट नंबर पर है कि चाय जो यूज करता है। तो इंडिया में असम, दार्जिलिंग, नीलगिरी आर द फेमस टी वेराइटीज स्पोर्ट। टाइप्स ऑफ टी, ब्लैक टी, कॉमन इंडियन चाय जिसे हम कहते हैं, ग्रीन टी, वाइट, ओलोंग, हर्बल। हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स होंगे इसमें। हेल्प्स इन इम्प्रूविंग डाइजेशन, कैन बूस्ट मेंटल अलर्टनेस। दिस इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट क्योंकि हम ऑब्जर्व किए हैं भारतीय लोगों में कि चाय पी लो, तनाव हो चाय पी लो, थोड़ा टेंशन चाय पी लो, नींद नहीं आ रही चाय पी लो। So this is how it can boost the mental alertness. Supports heart health when consumed moderately. Take care, do not take it serious. Just consume 1 or 2 tea per day. So how it is processed? Plucking tea leaves, withering, rolling, oxidation, drying and packaging. This is for GK. And the second topic is National Anti-Terrorism Day. It is observed on 21st May. This is not a celebration, we just observing it to awareness terrorism. Observed in India, purpose to spread awareness about the danger of terrorism and promote peace, unity and harmony. Historical background, we must know that what was the day. This day marks the death anniversary of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. He was assassinated on 21st May 1991 during an election campaign. So सभी जानते हैं जैसे लिट्टे ग्रुप था, उसमें एक ह्यूमन बॉम्ब था, एक लेडी थी जिन्होंने गार्लैंड की फॉर्म में एक बॉम्ब उनको पहना दिया था, एंड दैट इज़ हाउ ही वॉज शूट और murdered. Objectives of this day: to educate people about terrorism and its harmful effects, to promote national and unity and integrity, to encourage peace and non-violence, to make people aware of how terrorism affects society. Activities क्या कर सकते हैं हम? Taking the anti-terrorism plays, organizing awareness programs, rallies and seminars, conducting essay writing and speech competitions in school, promoting message for peace and brotherhood. Importance for India: how? Strengthen national security awareness, remind citizens of the need for unity against violence, encourages youth to reject extremism and hatred. So just to revise it again, it is observed on 21st May, that is today. Linked to Rajiv Gandhi's assassination 1991, focus on peace, unity and anti-terrorism awareness. Thanks for watching. Just to remember, these days are important and every day we will provide you the particular day, celebration day, the observance day or the commemoration day. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, stay connected.